What's up, y'all? Here's the easiest ponytail tutorial ever. First, you want to start by creating a smooth surface. Then, with the gel of your preference, you want to brush it in, being sure to gel down any flyaways. To ensure not a hair is out of place, brush your hair back one more time before finally tying it in that hairband. Next, you want to separate the remainder of your hair into 3 sections, creating a braid. Track a bit so that it tightens around the hairband and hides the track. Separate any last tangles, and you are done. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.